Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan to log into Binance. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up your web browser and then type in www.binance.com into the search box and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of Binance, which looks like this. From the main homepage, click the login button at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. You can log into your Binance account by either entering your email address or your phone number followed by your password, or you can also log in with QR code. To scan to log into Binance, you'll need to scan this QR code appearing at the right hand side of the screen. To do so, simply go ahead and grab your mobile device. From your homepage of Binance, simply tap on the QR code reader icon that appears at the top right hand corner. Soon after you do that, you should see your QR code scanner appearing on your display. Simply place the scanner right where your QR code is displayed on your desktop. Simply place the scanner in the middle like this and wait until it loads. Now, confirm your login by tapping on the Authorize button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you have been logged into your Binance account by scanning the QR code. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.